Well, good afternoon. It's Monday. Took a half day off work today so I could pick this up. This is a 440. It's 1974. It is a cast crank motor. The cam went flat on it. I saw couple of the old lifters. They were rounded. They were rounded off. So whoever had it, they decided to put a new cam in it. He gave me the specs on the cam. It's right here somewhere. It's a small baby cam. There we go. Here's the specs on it. There it is. It's a small cam, like 460 or something like that. 465 on the exhaust, 442 on the intake, or 442 exhaust. Here we go. 294. Anyway, I had my pupils dilated. I can't really see that well right now. But there's a cam card on it. Anyway, I got a really good deal on it. And there's the lifters, a bunch of extra parts. This is a Valley pan, all the bolts, push rods. Let's see, here's these right here. I call them spreader bars for the intake. It's a timing cover. They did put a new seal on it. It's got a nice performer intake. All I'm going to do to it is just check compression on it, make sure the cam is installed properly, and there's a gasket set right there, and show you what else we got. It's Old Glory there. Howdy, partner. Anyway, here's more of the parts that we got. Gave me this windage tray. This is mine. Wicks filter. Here's a balancer, and this is an aluminum housing, probably like 440 source or something like that. Balancer says it's a cast crank, so that's with this external balance on it. And this is a pump, oil pump. That's from 440 source. Anyway, like I said, I couldn't pass up the deal, so I ended up getting it. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I have that other 360 that I still haven't completed yet. Anyway, this is what I'm going to do to it. I'm just going to put it up on the engine stand for now and turn it over, check a couple of the mains, check the rear main seal, make sure it's not leaking. If it is, I'll replace it. I got a new billet seal retainer. So let's put this up on the stand, see what happens. There's the 440 there, that 74 Cascade 440 that I bought. I just put the lifters, put the rockers back on, and put the valve covers on it. It's got good compression. It seems like it's going to be a good running motor. It's a stock 440, didn't get rebuilt. It is a new oil pump. I did put a brand new bronze gear inside there. Like I said, I picked it up pretty cheap. I had this housing here. I have a different style housing where the inlet is on this side over here instead of the left side. But it is a 440. It's got a nice intake. It's got the spool mount kit for from small block to big block, so I can actually put it on this style K-member, which is what this duster has, but I'm not going to put a 440 in this thing anyway. Here's another 440. This one has aluminum heads. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one either. Eventually I'll use them on something, but I'm running out of cars, thinning out the herd here. I got rid of my satellite, and I might get rid of the green duster over there. The truck's almost done, the cab's almost done, so that'll be out. But this here 440, this is a pretty well built 440. Got 440 source heads. I don't want to take them all off, but those are 440 source heads. It's got a performer intake on it also. It's got a bullet cam in it. This one was degreed. It's I don't remember the numbers on it, but that's where we're at. I got somebody that's interested in that 440 there, so it should be okay. Again, it's not rebuilt. It's not by any means been rebuilt. It does have an A-body oil pan on it. I do have another oil pan for it, but this will be perfect for an A-body with if you want to put a big block on it. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'm getting ready to start working on that 360 again. There it is, that same one that we've been working on for quite some time off and on. But that's going to be next. Hopefully I'll get that done so I could take that motor. I'll show you which motor. Take this motor out. This is another 360. It's got the Edelbrock aluminum heads. That's a Victor 340 intake. This here was a 6-cylinder car. I did change the K-member on it. Put the stock mounts on it. Rebuilt 904. It does have an 8 3/4 with Mosier axles. I just came across a 489 Carrier with 411s on it. I don't know if that's going to be too steep for this, but I mean, any sure grip rear end is good to have. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'm gonna get to work on this engine here, get it done, get it going, put it in this car, and take this one out and kind of keep it, you know, as a secondary engine just in case. Hopefully, knock on wood, nothing happens to that motor there. That motor's running very well right now. I went 7, I think I've think it was 750 with that motor in this car. I'm doing 710s in it now, so hopefully I'll get into the 6s here real soon with some tuning. But anyway, that's where we're at. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the content, give me the thumbs up. If you don't, you could always do that. And if you could subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Have a good rest of the weekend. Be safe, and see you next time.